Do you speak English? Yes, I speak English. Are you from here? No, I'm from Germany. What is your name? My name is Jenny. How old are you? I am 24 years old. What is your job? I am a teacher. Where are you going now? I am going to the market. How was your day? It was good. How are you? I'm good. Thank you. What is your email address? It's jenny@email.com. What languages do you speak? I speak French and English. What day is today? Monday, the day of week. Do you have siblings? Yes, I have one sister. What does your father do? He is a banker. Will you buy something soon? Yes, I will buy a new phone. Do you believe in hard work? Yes, I believe in hard work because it brings success. Are you learning any new skill? Yes, I'm learning computer skills. Do you use social media daily? Yes, I use it to stay connected. What is the capital of France? Paris is the capital of France. Do you have a favorite season? Yes, my favorite season is autumn. What sports can you play? I can play football and cricket. What are you doing now? I'm talking to you. What was your major in university? I studied marketing and financial management. Do you prefer traveling by plane, train, or car? I like traveling by train. What was your first job? I was a florist. Do you like pasta? Yes, I do. What is the best way to study English? Practice speaking and learn new vocabulary words. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a cat. Do you wear glasses? Yes, I do. Do you like to read? Yes, reading is fun for me. What kinds of books do you enjoy reading? I enjoy self help and motivational books. Which is the largest ocean in the world? The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. Do you follow international news? Yes, I follow international news sometimes. Do you like wild animals? Yes, I love watching wildlife documentaries. Do you like taking risks? Yes, I take risks because they help me grow. What was your memorable day? My most memorable day was when I got my first job. Do you enjoy public speaking? I feel nervous, but I try to improve myself. What is your opinion about online learning? I think online learning is flexible and convenient. Do you prefer city life or village life? Why? I prefer city life because there are more opportunities. What is something new you learned recently? I recently learned basic Excel skills. Keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you for watching.